was 6 years old, most of the time I went to my grandmother's house. She's 87 years old. I had a strong grandmother. We always had a fight, seemed like Tom and Jerry, my grandmother and me. And I was highly annoyed at her because I had a fight. She did her and necessity things and didn't seem like today's grandmother, seemed like this. And after 3 years later, my grandmother didn't went to doctor because don't have energy, and also doctor didn't have time for visit her. And after that, she catch the cold, and after it become dangerous disease, the name is pulmonary embolism in our lung. This is an illness in which blood clot form in our lung. This CT scan of the picture. This group and dangerous. Yes. My description, this illness is easy. Pulmonary embolism is an illness from, for example, this call a blood cell call another blood and say hi to their party. Can you come? Let's go, and just this. And after this illness, my grandmother passed away. Excuse me, can you think why she died? 1 point. Don't have energy? No. Government? No. My family? No. And also me. Also, actually, yes. Also, no. None of them. Just one reason. One reason, the reason of this illness and my grandmother passed away is doctor didn't come to visit my grandmother in your house because don't have energy. My grandmother don't have energy, and after that, doctor not come to my grandmother's house. I now am 15 years old and I think the idea. It comes to my mind. I call my idea U-Health. U-Health means your health. And after, my goal is to create to build free business plan, create a business for free time of the doctor, pharmacy, hospital, manager of the laboratory, hospital, and especially teenager, create a business for teenager, free business. And from all over the world is free and premium. The platform of the U-Health in the website and phone. What's the ability of the U-Health? Gets connection with all of the world and get connection with the doctor and nurse, and in the social media, in the free time of the doctor, nurses. And the number two of the ability of the U-Health, booking a time for a visit the doctor in your house. And public exercise, important ability in online. You go to U-Health and after that apply to join the U-Health, and U-Health find a person in your city and chatting your friends and planning for exercise. For example, climb a mountain and for exercising. And a special community of the medical, especially for doctor and the people on the world. The scientist question. And after I try not to connection with the tax of government, because government is dangerous. And 1 point ability of the U-Health, nurse online for child and retirement. I'm not called the old man because retirement. Called the U-Health and retirement. A special community for motivation, all of the world in the people. Especially the teenagers, because teenagers they motivated themselves. And after that, one problem I retired man, an old man. Don't worry, retired man. I plan the UHELS, the ability we use for retirement for can't use computer, and I plan support with Siri in a lot of in iPhone, Siri, and sell the organic fruits by farmers, organic fruit in the online business, and get a secret of medical tests such as HIV because it's secret and don't sell about for other people this test. Yes. And the result were. And please support me and give it suggestion the UHELS and make it together if practice the UHELS and plan the UHELS for this. And the result, the topic, please take care of your family health.